Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project. So let's get started. I'm using these distress oxides. They are like mustard seed, pale paint, dylusions ink spray, which is like a turquoise color. Now I'm using this watercolor paper. It's a book, and I'm going to use the stencil and I'm going to spray on that. So I'm using this peeled paint distress oxide and spraying. So because it's not spraying very well, so I'm trying to use the sponge and dab on it. Then I'm going to dry it before I use the other stencil. Now I'm going to use mustard seed distress oxide spray. Then I'm going to spray some water on the top. Now I'm putting this dilutions ink spray on the top and spraying some water. And I'm using the brush to blend it. Now I'm going to spray again the peeled paint distress oxide, and that I'm going to also spread it out a little bit. Now I'm spraying some water on the top and spreading it out. Now I'm going to heat it. Then I still wanted that little bit of turquoise color in this, so I'm using this neocolor crayons and adding that into this. Now I'm going to heat it and dry everything. I'm using this another stencil, and I'm going to use the archival ink. And now I'm using this number stencil. Then I'm using black acrylic paint and and dabbing it on that. Now I'm adding the other stencil, and it's like a small dash kind of stencil, which is from the Tim Holtz product. Then I'm going to use the white paint, and then I'm going to just scribble on the top. Now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to use this as the background. These are like a tropical leaves. Then I'm going to use this as a focal point. Then I wanted to add these flowers in this so it will look colorful. Now I'm just going to highlight it using this white pen. Now I'm going to put the coat. Now, as a finishing touch, I'm using this the glaze medium. It's a glossy kind of glaze, and then that finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.